Hello everyone, welcome back to Drew Drives. Today we're going for a drive in this 2020 Toyota CHR. The definition of an economy car right here. So this car has a 2-liter 4-cylinder, 144 horsepower. Very basic interior in this. It's a compact car meant for just commuting, I would say. You have fully manual seats. Cloth seats as well. A lot of hard touch plastics in here. Steering wheel. Pretty bare bone in here. Screen is pretty big though for a car like this. Apple CarPlay in this car. Gear shifter I've always found to be kind of interesting in these. It looks a lot nicer than the rest of the interior in here. Use your reverse camera. Manual mode. Well, let's go. Alright, so as expected, it is unbelievably slow. Probably like 11 seconds 0 to 60, I wouldn't be surprised. It feels like a Mitsubishi Mirage in terms of acceleration. But from a car with 144 horsepower, that's what you have to expect, you know. But yeah, so the CHR, it's just basically like, it's literally an economy car, but like Toyota tried making it a little bit interesting. It has an interesting design and like little stuff like that gear shifter. On the roof, you have these diamond things to make it stand out. The door trim has diamonds. So it's kind of like the new Kia Soul, where it looks a little funky to make it look more unique, if you know what I mean. But yeah, I mean, this is really a car for someone who just wants a car. They don't care anything about cars. They just want something reliable that will get them from point A to point B and doesn't look as bland as some other economy cars do, like a base Nissan Versa or a base Corolla. Because the base Corolla just literally looks like, yeah, there's nothing to it. But this is pretty, it drives just like a base Corolla essentially, but it just looks a little more unique than that. Wind noise is pretty high. Yeah, that is quite slow, gotta say. I don't know what the exact fuel economy in this is, but I'm sure it's great. For being a really small car with 144 horsepower and a naturally aspirated 4-cylinder. I noticed the transmission shifting is a little, what can I say? It's a little slow. Nothing that I'm gonna, no surprise there. Yeah, having this car, if you're like trying to overtake someone, that'll be impossible. Like, it's impossible to overtake someone in this thing because there's no power at all. Like, I put my foot to the floor. And yes, I know people might be like, "Oh, it's not supposed to be fast." I agree. It's just an impression. My impressions of the car. I know what the point of the car is and all that, but I'm just gonna share my impressions on it. Through a brake test. Brakes aren't bad. Let's do a quick walk around of the vehicle as always to finish up another Drew Drives video. So yeah, the diamond pattern continues on the door sills. Yeah, as I was saying, looks kind of unique for an economy car. I mean, at least you don't have hubcaps, you got alloys. You got a little roof spoiler going on over there. Spare tire. You got this okay cargo space for a car like this. This is a hatch. But yeah, not much else there to it. A car to get you from point A to point B. Yeah. Thanks for watching another video of Drew Drives. If you enjoyed, please consider subscribing. I'll catch you in the next one. I'm out.